Hey y'all, I've got a can of drained and rinsed sauerkraut, and then I'm gonna be adding 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. You can use light or dark. I'm using dark here because I like to have just a thicker, richer flavor for this dish. Perfect for game days. To the sauerkraut and brown sugar, we're adding an entire bottle of this sweet chili sauce. Whole thing in here. It's gonna be such a good side dish or an appetizer for your parties. I love recipes like this where you can use the entire bottle of something because I don't like having like a quarter of a bottle just sitting in my condiment section in my fridge, taking up space. So use the whole thing. And to that, we're gonna be adding an entire can, of cranberry sauce. This is the whole berry kind. We're gonna go ahead and just take that whole thing out. It came out so easy. Just go ahead and just kind of mush down that cranberry sauce. You can use like the jellied kind instead of the whole berry if you'd like. Use a spatula, just kind of break up all that brown sugar. Smells spicy and tangy already. This is gonna be so good, guys. Then to this mixture, we're gonna add an entire 32-ounce bag of these home-style meatballs. Whole thing goes in. Give everything a quick toss. And once that's all well mixed together, all you have to do is set this on low for 3 to 4 hours. Wow, take a look. It smells so good in here. Got the sauerkraut and the cranberry sauce all mixed in with that garlic and those meatballs. Let's go ahead and give one of these a try. I wanna make sure I have a whole berry cranberry on here. Just like that. It's so good. It's tangy, cranberry, but it's not super sour because we drained that sauerkraut. These would be so good in like a hot dog bun or just by itself, some mashed potatoes or something, or just with like a little toothpick, an appetizer. Hope you make these. They are so, so good.